Pistol squats are quite an advanced exercise, so you need a lot of strength, good mobility. So it's a single leg squat basically. Again, foot flat on the floor. Try and get your hips down low. Pushing foot through the floor, heel through. Push through that leg, returning back to the start. To make it easier, you can use something to hold on to if you need to. Still working on that strength. If you still need a little bit of help, you can use a chair at home and then just sit down, stand up, pushing that foot through the floor, pushing off that single leg, building up the strength in that side.